Good day everyone, I am Angelica G. CAUILAN. I am assigned to report Chapter 5, Slides 1 to 15. Let's start. Chapter 5, Digital Security, Ethics and Privacy. Objectives Overview. Define the term digital security risk and briefly describes the types of cybercriminals, describe various types of internet and network attacks, and explain ways to safeguard against these attacks. Discuss techniques to prevent unauthorized computer access and use. Explain the ways that software manufacturers protect against software piracy. Discuss how encryption, digital signature, and digital certificates work. Identify safeguards against hardware theft, vandalism, and failure. Explain the options available for backing up. Identify risks and safeguards associated with wireless communication. Recognize issues related to information accuracy, intellectual property rights, codes of conduct, and green computing, and discuss issues surrounding information privacy. Digital security risk. A digital security risk is any event or action that could cause a loss of or damage to a computer or mobile device, hardware, software, data information, or a processing capability. Digital security risk. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit nawawala or nadadamage yung mga files natin sa computer. Any illegal act involving the use of a computer or related devices generally is referred to as a computer crime. Computer crime, ito yung krimen na nagaganap through online or internet. A cybercrime is an online or internet-based illegal act. Digital security risk, unauthorized access and use, internet and network attacks, system failure, information theft, software theft, and hardware theft. Hacker. A hacker uses their computer skills to get your credit card info or other personal data. Cracker. Is someone who breaks into someone else's computer system, often on a network, bypasses passwords or licenses in computer program, or in other ways intentionally breaches computer security. Script kiddie. A person who uses existing computer script or code to hack into computers lacking the expertise to write their word. Corporate spies, unethical employees, cyber extortionists. A crime in which payment is demanded in order to prevent or stop attacks on an organization's website, network, or computer system. And cyber terrorists. Cyber terrorism is any premeditated, politically motivated attack against information, computer system, computer programs, and data which result in violence against non-combatant targets by subnational groups or clandestine agents. Internet and network attacks. Information transmitted over network has a higher degree of security risk than information kept on an organization premises. Malware, short for malicious software, consists of programs that act without users' knowledge and deliberately alter the operations of computer and mobile devices. Common types of malware. Virus. A potentially damaging program that affects or infects a computer or mobile device negatively by altering the way the computer or device works without the user knowledge or permission. Virus. Ito ay isang uri ng malware kung saan nadadamage ang computer or mobile phone natin dahil napapasukan na ito ng virus. Worm. A program that copies itself repeatedly, for example, in a memory or on a network, using up resources and possibilities shutting down the computer, device, or a network. Trojan horse, a program that hides within or looks like a legitimate program. Unlike a virus or worm, a Trojan horse does not replicate itself to other computer or device. Trojan horse, ito naman ay isang uri ng malware kung saan siya ay nagpapanggap na legit program. Rootkit, a program that hides in a computer or mobile device and allows someone from a remote location to take full control of the computer or device. Spyware, a program placed on a computer or mobile device without the user's knowledge that secretly collects information about the user and then communicates the information it collects to some outside source while the user is online. Adware, a program that displays an online advertisement in a banner, pop-up window, or pop-under window on web pages, email messages, or other internet services. How a virus can spread via an email message. Step 1. Unscrupulous programmers create a virus program that deletes all files. They hide their virus in a word processing document and attach the document to an email message. Step 2. They send the email message that contains the infected attachment to thousands of users around the world. Step 3A. Some users open the attachment and their computers become infected with the virus. Step 3B. Other users do not recognize the name of the sender of the email message. These users do not open the email message. Instead, they immediately delete the email message and continue using their computers. The user's computers are not infected with the virus. A botnet is a group of compromised computers or mobile devices connected to a network. A compromised computer or device is known as a zombie. A denial of service attack, DOS attack, disrupts computer access to an internet services. Distributed DOS attack or DDoS attack. A backdoor is a program or set of instruction in a program that allows users to bypass security controls. Spoofing is a technique intruders use to make their network or internet transmission appear legitimate. A firewall is a hardware and or software that protects a network's resources from intrusion. It is a computer program or piece of equipment that keeps people from using or connecting to a computer or a computer network without permission. Unauthorized access and use. Unauthorized access is the use of a computer or network without permission. Unauthorized use is the use of a computer or its data for unapproved or possibly illegal activities. Organization takes several measures to help prevent unauthorized access and use acceptable use policy, disable file and printer sharing. Access controls defines who can access a computer device or network, when they can access it, and what actions they can take while accessing it. The computer device or network should maintain an audit trail that's successful and unsuccessful. Username. Alam naman natin na ang username ay ginagamit pag gumagawa tayo ng account. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or etc. At password. Ito yung ginagamit natin upang hindi nila ma-open yung account natin. A passphrase is a private combination of words, often containing mixed capitalization and punctuation associated with a username that allows access to certain computer resources. A PIN, personal identification number, sometimes called a passcode, is a numeric password either assigned by a company or selected by a user. A possessed object is any item that you must possess or carry with you in order to gain access to computer or computer facility. A biometric device authenticates a person's identity by translating a personal characteristics into a digital code that is compared with a digital code in a computer or mobile device, verifying a physical or behavioral characteristics. Fingerprint reader, face recognition system, hand geometry system, voice verification system, signature verification system, and iris recognition system. Itong mga to ay mga examples ng biometric device. Yun lamang. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. And the next reporter is Alexis Dumalag.